Thursday protesting for tuition fee hikes.
Walang signifikanteng aksyon po yung gobyerno, partikular itong Pangulo natin, para masolusyonan yung every year, taon-taon tumataas yung mga bayarin sa matrikula, bayarin sa paaralan.
Around 15 members of Gabriela Youth, a leftist women's rights organization, scuffled with police and security personnel. They marched towards Malacanang Palace. No injuries were reported. The activists said that the education sector has increasingly been commercialized as it engages in partnerships with large corporations. A meager budget allotted for the education sector forces schools to pass on the burden to students who must pay higher fees. More than 20% of the Philippines' higher education institutions have increased their tuition or school fees in the past year, data from the Commission on Higher Education shows.